In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create purchase order on Shopify 2025. By the end, you'll confidently build a clean purchase order that helps you restock products and keep your inventory accurate. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, head to Products, then open Purchase Orders. This is where you'll manage incoming stock from suppliers and keep everything tied to your inventory locations. Click Create Purchase Order. You'll see a blank PO ready to configure. At the top, confirm your payment terms. If it's currently set to none, change it to the term that matches your agreement. COD, for example, if your supplier expects cash on delivery. Clear terms here make reconciliation easier later. Next, select your supplier and the destination location. Use the select buttons to choose the vendor you're ordering from and the location that will receive the stock. Getting the location right ensures the inventory arrives in the correct place in Shopify, especially if you operate multiple warehouses or retail stores. Now add the products you want to restock. Click Browse, find the item, like your classic long sleeve, and click Add. If you have multiple variants or multiple items, repeat this step to include them all. After adding a product, adjust the quantity by clicking into the quantity field and entering the amount you want to order. For example, 20 units. You can edit these numbers anytime before you finalize the PO. Take a moment to confirm the unit cost for each line item. If your supplier provided updated costs, enter them so your margins and cost of goods remain accurate. If there are taxes, discounts, or shipping fees your supplier includes on the PO, add those where appropriate so the total reflects the actual expected invoice. If you have an expected delivery date, add it to help you plan receiving and stock availability. You can also include a reference number from your supplier if they provided one. Use the Notes section to capture any special instructions, packaging details, or reminders for your team. You'll see a character counter, so you know how much detail you can include. Notes are especially helpful for color or size packing rules, carton counts, or labeling requirements. When everything looks right, choose Save as Draft. Keeping it as a draft lets you review details, confirm with your supplier, or make edits before you move the PO forward. Later, when stock arrives, you'll come back to this purchase order to receive items and update inventory. That's it. You've created a clear, organized purchase order in Shopify, ready to keep your inventory